Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be making a flower basket. We'll start by making two curves using a protractor. Then we'll join them with curved lines, a slight curve to give it the look of a basket. Next, we are going to make two slanting lines at the bottom and then join them by a straight line. I'm making it using a scale. Next, we will make a big curve for the basket's handle, leaving some space to make a bow, a rectangle with curved points, a triangle type of shape with curved points again. Then we'll make two curved lines and then join them by a zigzag type of shape. We'll make two of these and then double our curved line to give it a look of a handle. We'll make some patterns on the bow. You can make any type of patterns you like. You can make circles, you can make zigzag pattern. Next, we're making another curved line as shown here. We'll make a pattern on the handle. This pattern is to show that a thinner rope is tied around a thicker one. You can make this pattern by making type of waves on certain distance on the handle. We'll make the same pattern on this thin line as you can see here. Next, we are making a pattern on the basket. We'll make slanting lines from top to bottom from the left side, and then we'll do the same slanting lines from top to bottom from the right side. Next, we are going to be making a rose. We'll start by making a spiral shape. Then a curved U shape. I'm zooming it a bit so that you can have a better view. Then we'll make a slanting line, and then petal shapes all around it will show that these are overlapping petals to give it the complete look of a rose. You can also make the rose without these petals if you want to make a rose bud. We'll make the stem with some thorns. Then leaves, vein,